So much drama today. If you're gonna fall in, throw me the camera.
We have just departed our tour.
Ooh, okay, what a morning. All right, so didn't sleep very well last night. That's okay. Got up, had breakfast, and then went down to the pool, swam around a little bit, and then I just had a 50-minute massage plus traditional hammam. So if you don't know what hammam is, I'll put a clip in here, not of me of course, but I'll put a clip in here of what it is. Oh my God, it was incredible. I have never been this clean in my life. In my whole life, I've never been this clean. It feels amazing. So it's almost 2 p.m. now. So here's what we have on the docket for today. And by the way, I'm using this corner of my room because there's a giant window here. Your boy's learning how to use natural sunlight. So all right, so here's the plan. I'm gonna get dressed, I'm gonna get ready here, and then we're going to Uber to a big mall here called Zorlu, the Zorlu Center, and it's just a really fancy mall. It has like every designer brand you can think of. So today we're just gonna go shopping a little bit, see what we can find, and then I want to get Nesleon a gift for helping me out in this thing. Then we're gonna come back to the hotel, change, and go to the Bosphorus, which is the huge body of water, and we're taking a 2.5-hour yacht cruise on the Sunset Yacht Cruise on a private yacht in Istanbul, Turkey. It's gonna be great. So stick around. Thank you so much for being here. Let's go. So we are in Istanbul. Uber is 2 minutes away. We're gonna be going to the Zorlu Center, which is the big mall. You'll see, really, really cool. I'm just gonna try to get a few things. You'll see, it's very hot here today. I wanna say it's supposed to be like mid-80s, but very humid. Going good, just waiting for the Uber.
Bagaja baktın bagaja. Bagaj.
Okay, so we are at the Zorlu Center. This is an enormous mall. So we'll show you a little bit of it. It's incredible. It's like 5 stories, 4 or 5 stories. It's all outdoor, and then indoor, it's even more stories below. It is really cool. We'll get some shots. Every designer brand you can think of, whatever you need here. Also an incredible 2-story Apple store that is, let's get going. We got like an hour and a half. We got to kind of hurry a little bit, but we are grabbing some food in the mall. I'm just getting some kebabs, some pita bread. Very excited about that. I got Nestle a gift card at MAC just as a thank you for having us. I noticed that she was using MAC lipstick last night, so just one of my special powers. Stick around. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. I think I got her some good stuff just as a thank you. So now this is the line for taxis. So we're just waiting in line to get a taxi and go back to the hotel. So go really well. It's very, very hot out. As you guys already know what I got, but just wanted to get like a thank you because we wouldn't be here without her work. So I'm just gonna give it to her. 2 things. Okay? Okay. First thing. Second thing. Just thank you. Cool.
So nice.
He's a nice man, isn't he?
Okay.
But that's a lot. Like,
Get whatever you.
thank you.
Yeah.
Wow.
It comes hard. Like, you don't know like.
Oh, this one is also so cute. Oh, it's so nice. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh. I will give you another hug.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
Like, seriously.
Of course. Thank you. Mission complete. We did it. Should we try to get a taxi outside?
Well, yes.
This says 11 minutes now.
Oh, yeah, that's.
Cancel.
Okay. Maybe this one. Okay.
Böyle bekliyoruz.
Thank you. We made it. Oh my god. All right, we made it. That was.
Yeah.
You told him like hurry. I could tell. We made it barely, but we made it. Oh. Keep it. So much drama today. We made it. Yacht on the Bosphorus River. River? Lake?
River.
Ocean? Creek? If you're gonna fall in, throw me the
We
camera.
have just departed our tour.
I'm not going to fall in, I promise. So I get a food shot and then a Sultan's Palace shot.
So, next time I come here, I'll buy a house next time, and that's it. All right, so we are on this yacht, really cool. Trying my best not to drop this into the water. So, like if I was to do like this. Anyway, having a lot of fun out here. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, we have like, it's a 2.5 hour cruise, so it's like sunset, so it should be really good. Absolutely amazing. This is just exactly what I needed.
In the middle of them, there is a school,
Cheers.
active school. Education in Turkey is completely free of charge. Sometimes it's a frequent asked question, why so famous? It's a natural cleft, channel, canal, straight between European. So, because of the anybody controlled.
So, amazing mosque right there. This is what I needed. Out on the water, relaxing. There are a lot of boats going by though that are like really close together, which is a little bit, but otherwise, just incredible. Thinking about life, B-roll, like this, senior photo.
More than 500,000 people wanted to walk or run through the bridge. The year was 1973, first time opening ceremony.
We got like cherries, like melon, apple, watermelon. From our gum. So we're maybe a little over half of the way done with the tour. It is incredible. I mean, this is, I highly recommend this to anyone if they come to Istanbul. If you come to Istanbul, highly recommend this. It was like $54 USD each, so like worth it for a 2.5-hour tour on a yacht with like refreshments and food and everything. Incredible. Just my favorite thing that we've done here so far. So behind me is Asia, believe it or not. So I'm feeling a little more at home right now. No, but yeah, that is Asia behind me, believe it or not. This is incredible. This is amazing. This is definitely, come do this if you come to Istanbul. I think I would do this every time I come here, honestly. 7:35 p.m. Sun's going down. It's cooling off. This is the kind of time where you need to just take a minute and just kind of go like, I am here. You know what I mean? Live in the moment for a minute and go, I am not home. I'm across the world on a yacht on the Bosphorus River, very close to Asia, and I had lamb chops last night. Like, it's a crazy life, man. Crazy, crazy life. But yeah, this couldn't be more beautiful. Trying to take as many pictures as I can, and also trying not to fall into the river. So the trip is almost over. We've been on here like 2 hours, 2.5 hours. I don't know. What do you think?
Special. This entire place is special.
Yeah.
What a wonderful tour that we got. And even, we didn't even necessarily leave the river, but still,
yeah,
absolutely incredible to see all the buildings and to hear about Turkish history.
I wish we would have done this every day. Next time I come to Istanbul, I think we're just gonna stay on a yacht. Like, this is, I would just be out here. What are we gonna do now?
After.
Any ideas?
I think I'm gonna take you to the Ortaköy.
What is that?
It's there's some nice place, some touristic place.
Okay.
It's okay for me, but it's for you incredible.
Okay.
So you see on the
We made it. I didn't fall in. We're good. I like it.